After the major breakthroughs in 20th century physics, led by scientists such as Einstein, there are currently few significant advances in fundamental science. If humanity does not achieve a technological explosion within a limited time frame, we may never attain a Type 2 or Type 3 civilization. In that case, extraterrestrial civilizations would likely face similar obstacles. The Dark Forest Hypothesis, inspired by the renowned science fiction novel The Three-Body Problem by Liu Cixin, offers a notable explanation for the Fermi paradox. According to this hypothesis, throughout the 13.8 billion-year history of the universe, many intelligent civilizations have evolved. However, the vast differences between civilizations make communication extremely difficult. One civilization cannot determine whether another is benevolent. Even if it assumes that another civilization is benevolent, it cannot know whether the other recognizes its own goodwill. Even if both parties recognize each other's goodwill, they cannot be certain whether the other genuinely believes that such goodwill is authentic. This results in an infinite chain of logical inference known as the endless chain of suspicion. Consequently, the universe resembles a dark forest in which each civilization is an armed hunter who must remain carefully concealed. Upon encountering another civilization, the only choice that guarantees survival is to eliminate the other, because failure to do so may result in being eliminated first. In the universe, survival constitutes the primary law of every civilization. Therefore, the silence of the universe is not due to the absence of extraterrestrial civilizations, but rather because they are all concealing their positions. Nevertheless, many reject this hypothesis. They argue that the chain of suspicion is unreasonable because in a universe containing innumerable civilizations, some would inevitably possess curiosity that surpasses fear. Humanity itself provides an example as a young and relatively naive civilization. Over the past century, we have actively transmitted strong electromagnetic signals into space, covering a spherical region with a radius of 100 light. If extraterrestrial civilizations exist, they may already have detected our presence. According to the Copernican principle, there should likewise be other civilizations transmitting similar signals. However, to date, we have not received any meaningful electromagnetic signals from the universe. This leads to another hypothesis, the simulation hypothesis. According to this view, the reason we have not detected extraterrestrial civilizations is that we ourselves are living within a simulated universe created by a more advanced civilization. Both the universe and we ourselves may be nothing more than a simulation, analogous to the world depicted in the Matrix. If humanity were someday to decipher the secret of consciousness, we could, in principle, become creators within a virtual world simulated by computers. Everything we perceive, from the physical world to self-consciousness, could be recreated through computational programs. In essence, we may be nothing more than brains in a vat, and the entire surrounding world merely an illusory dream. Beyond these hypotheses, there exist many other explanations for the Fermi paradox, yet at present there is no method to prove or refute them. Which hypothesis do you find more plausible? In a vast and seemingly infinite universe, it is difficult to believe that humanity is the sole civilization. When you gaze upon the star-filled sky, have you ever wondered whether somewhere among the distant galaxies there may be another pair of eyes observing and experiencing the same sense of solitude?